Hi, first graders. Just want to talk to you about the focus for the week for our reading. We've gone over some of these things before, but I want you to keep all these things in mind as you read this week. Um, to go ahead and take a sneak peek and get ready. Ask the questions what, when, where the story takes place. I want you to keep track of the time it's taking place and where, because if you remember, we talked about the different places setting could be in the book and that you could change settings often. For instance, when we read Iris and Walter, they might be at home or in the classroom or at the aquarium. Look for those things as you read this week. Um, think about what might happen next as you're reading. See if you can think about what could happen by the end of the book or even just in the next few pages. Retell important parts of the story. Remember what you read, and then retell that story to someone. See if it makes sense and that you've put in the most important parts or events of the story. Sometimes you have to go back and reread to remember, and that's okay. You're going to connect parts of the story together so that it all makes sense when you retell that story. And it's like going on a big adventure um, for some of us. When we read a book, we seem like we are the characters and we're right there with them and we're experiencing the same things that they are. Have fun with this and think about what we have talked about before in reading.